Hello, welcome to my channel Barrel. In this video we are going to learn how to add zeros in this action between this cell file. So you can see my data is here and I want like 0 0 0 and 1. I want like this. So how can we do it? We will be adding leading zeros in action. So but if I hit enter, you will get here only 1 because 0 is not showing in leading. So how can we do it? We will do by using two ways. So first way is to select the range and right click, and then you will go to format cell, and here in format cell we will convert into the text and hit OK. And if I enter 0 0 0 1, and you will see it is 0 1 2 and 0 0 1 2 3. So this is the one, but you will see here green triangle is showing because it is converted into text. You will leave the number in the cell is formatted as text or preceded by an apostrophe. So this is the one way, this is converted into text. And the way is, so just select the range and click here and ignore error. So this is the one way. Another way is just select the range and here right click, format cell, and here we will go to custom, and in 0 we will type here how much 0 we want before the numbers. So if I enter 4 and hit OK, and now I write 1, you will get there is, you can see 4 is leading 0 is added automatically between the 4 digits. So this is the way to. So I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel to get more daily tips and tricks, and I will see you in the next video.